Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. So I will just open my photos and just select it any of photo, and first of all you will be just save into files app. So we will just tap on the right bottom corner option is the share. Simply I will just tap on it as well and scroll down to find save to files. Simply just tap on it save to files, and you will be just selected your browse on my phone and just save it as well. And we will just go on the home screen and just finding the files app on iOS device. Simply open, just finding the on my iPhone, and here you will see the Instagram logo image. I will just tap to open it, and here you will see in the top mid you will see the image and 5311 the picture number, and I will just tap on it. And the second last option is the export. I will just tap on it. From here you will just select it the file format. I will select it the PNG file simply as well, and you will be just selected the image size small, medium, large, but I will be just recommended for original. And now you will just hit to save. So in this way you will just convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.